Climate change is one of the greatest challenges facing our generation today. One of its major contributors is the transportation sector, which continues to generate significant greenhouse gas emissions. In Medan, we can see this challenge through increasing traffic congestion, growing dependence on private vehicles, and declining air quality. These issues are not only city problems, but also challenges that affect our campus community. Every day, thousands of students, lecturers, and staff travel to and from Universitas Sumatera Utara. However, many of us still do not fully understand the environmental impact of our daily commuting choice. This raises an important question. How can we encourage sustainable mobility if we do not first understand our mobility patterns? And that is exactly the challenge I want to address. Hello everyone, I'm Muaz Alfattah Fadhani, a computer science student at Universitas Sumatera Utara. My interest in sustainable transportation has been shaped through various experiences. One of them, when I was participating in Future Leaders in Sustainable Transport organized by World Research Institute Indonesia. Through this experience, I learned that sustainability is not only about raising awareness, but also about creating practical solutions that people can easily adopt. Therefore, I would like to introduce my proposed program, Co-Mobility. Eco-mobility is a program that combines technology, education, community engagement, and policy advocacy to build a low-carbon mobility culture within Universitas Sumatera Utara. At the center of this initiative is Carbon Track, a web-based platform that helps users understand the environmental impact of their daily transportation choice. Users can enter information about their commuting, estimate the emission generated from their trip, and explore more sustainable alternatives such as public transportation, cycling, walking, or even choose carpooling. However, eco-mobility is not just about a platform. The collected data can help us understand campus mobility patterns and provide valuable insight for future green campus initiatives. In short, eco-mobility transforms data into awareness, awareness into action, and action into impact. I plan to implement this initiative through several stages. The first stage is research and survey to understand transportation habits among students and campus communities. The second stage is the development of carbon track and the preparation of educational content. The third step is pilot testing to gather user feedback and improve the platform. The fourth stage focus on campaigns, workshops, discussion, and public engagement activities to promote sustainability mobility. Finally, the collected data will be analyzed and transformed into policy recommendations that can support future green campus development. Through this stage, I hope to create both awareness and measurable impact. I believe meaningful change cannot be achieved alone. That is why collaboration is a key and a part of eco-mobility. This initiative will involve student organization, academic institution, environmental organization, transportation communities, and government agencies. By working together, we can strengthen educational activities, expand community engagement, and increase the overall impact of the program. Because sustainability is a shared responsibility that requires collective action. Eco-mobility directly contributes to two sustainable development goals. The first one is sustainable cities and communities. Number 11. This program promotes safer, more accessible, and environmentally friendly transportation choice. The second one is the number 13. Climate action. By helping people understand and reduce their transportation emission, the program encourages climate awareness and supports meaningful climate action. Through these two goals, ecomobility seeks to create positive change both on campus and beyond. The impact of ecomobility can be seen at three different levels. At the campus level, the program can help build a culture of sustainability mobility while providing valuable data to support future planning. At the community level, It can encourage greater awareness and participation in sustainable transportation initiatives. And environmental level, collective change in transportation behavior can contribute to emission reduction and a healthier environment. The journey begins with awareness, followed by behavior change, better decision making, and ultimately long-term sustainable impact. As I conclude this presentation, I would like to emphasize one simple idea. Climate action does not always begin with large-scale projects. Sometimes it begins with everyday choice. The choice to walk, the choice to use public transport, the choice to understand our impact and take responsibility for it. Through eco-mobility, I hope to transform awareness into action, data into solution, and individual choice into collective impact. I am committed to promoting a sustainability through practical initiatives that empower people and create meaningful change. Together, we can build a greener campus, a more sustainability community, and a better future for everyone. Thank you for your attention.